Good morning, everyone. Today we are in Morgan Hill. I am at the TriPointe new construction community. They have a unique setup here. It's a mixed community with both detached homes as well as townhomes. So today we're going to walk through some of the models here. Beautiful, beautiful day, gorgeous weather. So let's head on in and take a look at what these configurations have to offer us. So heading to the first, Residence 1 configuration. As you can see, it's just under 1,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Let's head on in. So the first thing I notice as soon as I walk in is that it opens up to a open concept kitchen. Over here you have a dining space as well as a very, very wide open kitchen combination with a living space area. This door in the back right here would lead to what would be the garage. There's some extra storage space underneath the stairs, quite a bit. And then half bath downstairs. Let's take a look at what we have upstairs. All right. This must be the full bath, the shared bathroom. Soak-in tub, laundry room, very, very spacious. A lot of good lighting, large rooms with large closet space. There's plenty of natural light. I always like that as a feature. Really large windows you can open up, get some fresh air. The whole community is very well planned. As you can see, even though they're townhomes, there's a significant amount of privacy. You don't get that feeling that they're built right on top of each other. It's a very, very unique feature. This right here is the master bedroom. Plenty of space to put in a king-size bed and still have a lot of room left over. Walk-in closet. A very good use of space. Let's head on over to Plan 2. Residence number 2 in the townhome setup.